Hello, I have a topic today I don't think you're going to like very much at all. It's testing. Testing is a big part of our life for you and for me, but it has to be done because somewhere down the line we will have to decide what is your grade. All of your tests are taken in the testing lab. There's a testing lab on every one of our campuses. You need to determine what is the time of the testing lab. It's very important. And you will find that on their websites. During the semester, you're expected to take 3 examinations. The 3 examinations will consist of possibly one section of multiple choice or identification. I haven't decided yet, which we will do this year, but I alternate it, so keep it a little guessing game there. But you will also do 2 essays. Now, these 3 parts of your examination are all equal. Every exam will have these 3 parts, all 3 exams. So you'd have 9 at the end of the semester. And the first exam is taken, over the first 8 chapters, and it is taken during the, let me see now, what do we say? It's taken during the 7th week. It's on the website, so you need to check. No, it's taken during the 6th week. And it just covers that part of the material up through that you were assigned for the first 6 weeks, whether it be readings or assignments on Blackboard or maybe material on a PowerPoint, whatever has been covered in that period, you will be expected to know for the exam. That part's over with. The second exam, which is the next big body of material, that's all it will be covered, is the material for that second body of material, which it starts with Henry VII and goes on to the modern period, actually. The final exam, which is taken during the final week of the semester, will cover the last part of the exam. The exams are not cumulative, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you have done 1/3 of the material, it's finished. Next third of the material, it's finished. And then final will be over just the last third of the material. Now, about the grade, students always wonder, how do you grade? What do you expect? Well, first off, the most important thing is the essay. And in the essay, it should be properly organized. It should have an introduction where you say what you're going to do. Then you should do it. You have your essay organized, whether it's you're doing one of those economic, social, political questions, and you have all the economic material together, organized properly, and sometimes you'll have 1 or 2 paragraphs under that. Then the political material would all be together, and it shouldn't be a flow of thought. It needs to be well organized. And then at the end of the essay, you should have a few concluding remarks about what you have just covered. Now, if you have done an essay which I read through and I think, well, I really don't have much to say here. They did a very excellent job. I don't know what I would add. That's an A. An A means excellent. The student did a very, very good job. Now, if I get another essay, and, well, they did a very good job, but they weren't very critical. They didn't show so much understanding, but, they did do a good job, a very good job. That's a B. If I find an essay where the student has just covered the material, that's it. And maybe it wasn't organized the way it should be, but you have most of the material there. That's a C. If I come across an essay where the student didn't really say much of anything, and didn't really show that they had tried very hard, that's a D. D is not failing. It just means that the work under consideration is really not very good. Now, at the end of the semester, I take all 9 of those grades that you got on the exams. I convert them to their mathematical equivalent, divide by 9, and that's 60% of your grade. If you have a B+ average, that's 60% of your grade. The other 40% of the grade we will talk about under other discussions. But if you have any questions about the test, which most students do, I would like for you to put those questions on the discussion board, and maybe one of your classmates will help answer it, and I will keep tab to see what you do understand and what you don't understand. I think the discussion board will help us really a lot. So don't fail to use it. Okay? Good luck.